how to use traveling microscope. So in this video I will be showing you that how to use the traveling microscope for many experiments in physics like Newton's rings or wedge. As you can see, that is a traveling microscope. The yellow light there is the sodium light. Okay, so note that. And there is a magnifying glass which you can see. So first of all, while proceeding with the experiment, we will have to look through that eyepiece, and the light is coming from there and the magnifying glass is there, you can see that. And we will have to as for the experiment of Newton's ring, if we have to see the rings there, you know how the rings look like. I will put the image here, and the rings are there, and we will take out the measurements. As you can see, again we have to take different measurements, different records for accuracy and precision of the means data. So you should remember that you should not persistently look into that light, it can damage your eyes. So you have to be careful and use means be compassionate with your team members to be to take the data. And further, you have to note down all the data, all the measurements of the diameter of the ring as the procedure. Similarly, in the air wedge method, we will be putting the the thickness, the particle, the substance, the matter which we are going to take the diameter of. So we will be putting that, and we will taking the same type of readings. We will get simple line, straight lines in air wedge, and similarly in Newton's ring we will get many rings. So this video, basically you will learn how to use it for any experiment regarding used for traveling microscope, and determining the diameter of anything like that. So you can see that we are how we are taking here, we are looking by the adjusting, and we are putting the cross wire that is inside the traveling microscope, and by sodium vapor lamp we get, and there is a optically plain rectangular glass plates through which the light is coming. So we can note down the readings. As in the main scale, you can see that we are taking the readings. Since this is just an example, so students are requested to do it by looking this. You can do it, yes, of course. I will try to put some data if possible. However, you can just take the idea how we are doing. You can see that is a microscope there, and that is a magnifying glass through which the light coming from there, and the cross, the means the structures forming there, rings forming there, you can see it easily. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it.